Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Kim and today we're transforming into a primate with an awesome faux hawk. So stay tuned if you want to see how we completed this look. It was super fun. Give this video a big old thumbs up if you love monkeys. Give this video a thumbs up if you don't like bananas. Give this video a thumbs up if this sheet is bananas. Just give it a thumbs up. Yeah, make sure you're subscribed. I'm like, yeah, that was lame. Make sure you guys are subscribed. I upload a video once a week, usually on Wednesday or Thursday. I do these videos live on Facebook, so if you want to catch them live, go follow me on Facebook. The link's below in the description. And yeah, let's get this monkey on. Hello! Oh my gosh, this wig. I swear, this is Kim, the boy version. Nice and freckly. Definitely feel like a dude. But tonight we are going to be a primate. Not a dude, but we'll look like a dude while we're being a primate. I don't know. So tonight we're going to do a monkey. I was going to call it a zoo series, but it's an animal series. So we're going to do a monkey, and the ink gods rained down on us. The Amazon guy delivered my ink, so we have some printouts. So this is our inspiration. Tonight we're going to transform into a monkey. So, should be interesting. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to start off with a base. And I think I might go with some cream foundation. So this color is a warm tone. And on me, it's going to appear very yellow because I'm not warm toned. I'm tan, but I'm not warm toned. So this is going to appear yellow, which is fine because it's a good base. This is a full coverage foundation, so it's going to hopefully cover up these freckles because I'm not sure that monkeys get freckles. This monkey has a crap ton. So say hi when you get on. Tell me your favorite monkey. If you're watching this on the replay, that means that that's not live and I'm not talking back to you. Then say hashtag replay in the comments or just say you're watching. I don't know. Say something in the comments. If you're here, whether it's now or later, say something. Say something. All right, so we're just basing our face. See, that's how much this is not my color. And you know what's funny is I have this color in like every form of our foundation. From early on in my makeup days when I couldn't figure out the color matching for myself. Obviously. But this will be a good base for our monkey. And I think I might go down on my chest, but I don't know. I wasn't really planning on wearing this wig. I really wanted to wear this like nasty black one just because it had more volume. But then I just wanted to like channel my inner Peter Pan, so this is like such a fun hairdo too. I've always toyed around with the idea of getting a pixie cut, but I don't have to with this. Oh, I gotta tuck my hair in. Don't play with the wig. This, I swear, was made for somebody with a tiny head. And I don't think I have a very big head, but the wig starts like right here. So maybe I do have a big head. I don't know. Made in China. Who knows? Who knows? Okay, so I'm going to just start drawing on my face with this brown eyeliner. I should sharpen it, but I don't know where my sharpener is. Kind of a crap show. I'm a little thrown off today. Okay, so I do know that my nose is going to have to be bigger. I'm going to have to make, because they have very wide nose, big nostrils, so we're going to have to make this tiny little weird nose look like bigger. Make it look like bigger. Hey, Deb! What do you think of this wig? Could you see me in a pixie cut? Look at all my hair hanging out. Just ignore that, guys. Super professional. It's like sucking off of my head. It's so tiny. It's fine. Totally fine. Okay. So we got the nose. Then, let's see. We'll do some monkey brows there. Too short for you. I agree. very much. And my hair is finally, I think it's probably longer than it's been in a long time. It's like down to here. Nah, that's a lie. It's down to here. It's kind of like, guys, I just gave myself an extra couple inches to impress you. I hope you were impressed. Super impressed. Okay. I'm just going to rough sketch just so I can get an idea of where things will be. Give my little monkeys some dark circles because monkeys are tired. It's a hard knock life. Okay. Not looking like a monkey yet. Let's see. I have to somehow make my lips even smaller so that they look a little flat. And then they're going to be if I didn't look like a monkey then, I still don't look like a monkey now. That wasn't even funny. Let's get some of this. Let's start carving out my face. So I'm going to see if this highlight and contour palette does the trick. I think the last time we used this, it didn't. And then I said I was going to pitch it and I never did. So we will see. Well, it's not too bad. It'll be a good start. A good start. Half my face is going to be gone because I'm going to contour it away. Heavy gulp. There we go. And I'll contour into my hair. Just kind of give that shape. This hair, I swear. Where does it start? Just ignore my real hair. My Lanta. It's coming out. The real me is coming out. I can only hide it for like half a video. I should just leave the hair like this. Bedhead. Monkey problems. Not gonna lie, I feel a bit crazy pants right now. Okay. So we have that. Now we're just gonna shade and shade and shade until we can shade no more, and then we'll shade a little bit more, just for measure. So I'm gonna get in my bag of goodies. I'm actually gonna use whatever this brush is. It came in a set. And I'm gonna use palette 1. We'll be using a lot of this just because it's brown and monkeys are brown. All right, so I'm gonna dip into these darker colors and really shade towards the hairline. Sorry if that makes a weird noise into my mic. I can't avoid it. You either hear weird noises or you don't hear me. We don't want to go too dark because my wig is fancy brown. This hair. It's like anytime you touch it, it just does something that you wouldn't want it to do. I just need to stop touching it. All right, let's blend that out a little bit because it looks a little crappy. Looks a little messy. Like my hair. Like my life, let's be honest. Okay. I made my forehead uneven. Okay, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows here. And then I gave myself a fat eyebrow. What in the world was I thinking? Okay, so monkeys have very pronounced eyebrows. And so that's what these are. My eyebrows are actually going to be the top of my eyelid. Yeah. You'll see when we get there. And then we're going to give ourselves all sorts of monkey wrinkles. Those don't look like monkey wrinkles, probably because I didn't sharpen my pencil. It's fine. Okay, I'm going to take that brown down. Taking the brown down into my forehead area. Because that's going to make our eyebrows really pop. Fabulous. Fabulous! Okay, I'm going to actually bust out some splurge eyeshadow. I haven't done this in a while. This is a cream to powder eyeshadow. And let's hope it's not dried out. This is the color Magnificent, and it's black. So I'm just going to start making that shadow. This does not look good right now. Don't worry, guys. Hang in there. Stay with me. It's going to be crazy for a while. I swear I'm not drunk. This looks like I'm drunk painting. I'm not. Okay, I'm just going to diffuse this down with a not clean, but less dirty brush than the one I was using. And then we'll add some dark browns on top of this. Hi, Sean! What do you think of my wig? This almost looks like slate blue on the camera. What's up with that? All right. Am I giving you monkey vibes yet? Do you want to know a fact about monkeys? I know you do. You know who could tell us one? Alexa. Alexa, tell me a funny fact about monkeys. I'm going to throw her off.
Here's a fact about a monkey. A group of monkeys is called a troop.
A troop. A troop of monkeys. Good to know. Okay, I'm adding in some brown just because this is looking kind of weird on camera. So we're going to give it a little definition. I'm using that same palette one. I may have went a little too ham on the brown, or the black, or whatever color it is. It's okay. It'll all come together in the end. It's kind of like winged eyeliner. When you play around with black eyeshadow and you mess up, you really mess up. There's no taking it back. You just have to roll with it. Okay. Still don't resemble a monkey. It's fine. Totally fine. Okay, I'm going to dip into this dark brown. Same palette. This is all eyeshadow, by the way. It's a really awesome eyeshadow palette for like regular eye stuff. You don't have to paint yourself as a monkey. But we could call it the monkey palette. Just saying. It's so weird. When I scowl, it makes my tummy grumble. Apparently, Angry Kim is really hungry. So I'm just filling in all of my scowl lines with eyeshadow. And it might look weird. It is weird. I'm gonna need some Botox. Has anybody ever had Botox? I'm so intrigued by it. I want to get it so bad. don't know. I'm afraid to get it, for one, just because I'm afraid it would go the wrong way. Like, if I wanted my forehead to not be wrinkled, it would, like, Botox to that. Ooh, let's color those in. Make it more realistic. I have deeper forehead wrinkles than my mom. I must do this look a lot. The concerned look. Am I stressed? No. Why? All right. Okay. Now I'm going to outline these brow areas that are kind of going to take the face shape. Take the face shape. All right. Still don't look like a monkey. I don't know what's wrong. Let's get some black eyeliner, if I can find it. If not, we can use that shadow. Oh, Suki now. Yeah. And it's sharpened. What? How did we get so lucky? So I'm going to make my monkey nostrils black. Yep. All right. My nose already looks big. This is anti-contour. Pretty awesome. I'm just going to use that same brush that we got that splurge shadow on and just color in so that I'm not shoving my eyeliner up my nose. Not that it's never been done before, but new May, new me. Okay. I feel good about this. Do you guys feel good about this? Let's talk about sex, baby. I thought it would be fun to listen to the Monkees before I got on here. I honestly didn't realize what they sang until I started listening. Is anybody a Monkees fan? I don't know if they originally wrote it, but they sing the song in Shrek. It's like, I thought love was only true in paradise. But I don't know if they originally sang that. I should have sang it. I did such a good job just now. Where's my music contract? All right. We're getting there. We're getting there, guys. Okay. I need to make my face look a little better. I can't really tell if I want to go like full chimp or the other Monkees. There's so many. Maybe. I don't know. You can never go full chimp. I'm going to put bronzer on my face. I feel like a lot of my face is way too white. So I'm going to grab my bronzer and a big fluffy brush. And we're just going to kind of contour again. I think the object to contour is to always be contouring. Just something I've learned. I'm just kidding. It's not true, but I feel like it sometimes. Yes. I'm going to take some eyeshadow and just start kind of filling in areas where I think I need it. I'm using this big fluffy blending brush that's disgusting and dirty, and don't judge me. Oh no, my tummy's gonna start making all sorts of noises. I made this really yummy dinner because I'm back on domestic goddess duty on Wednesday nights because Bo's shift changed, so he's home. So I had to cook dinner. And I've been so used to not cooking dinner on Go Full Chimp. You can never go full chimp. And I'm not used to cooking on Wednesdays, so that's new. Getting used to it. We'll see how it goes. But I made chili Colorado, and it smells amazing. My whole house smells like chili Colorado, but it's okay. Let's make my lips a little lighter. I'm just putting some translucent setting powder on my lips. Obviously, it's not as translucent as it claims to be because it's, maybe if you use enough of it, it just lightens up. Now I look like I have a mustache. A milk mustache. I like to put on my setting powder. Here's a real makeup tip for you. If you use setting powder, put it on with a moist blending bed, and it just applies better. And you can get a crap ton on. That's my little tip for you. Do with it what you want. I'm not here to tell you how to do your makeup. Okay. I'm going to use this same palette one and use the lighter color. It's called Elated. We'll go in and do a little bit of highlighting. We might actually go in with some white body paint. But I'm kind of digging using all makeup. We don't do it very often anymore. I guess I should give my spiel. If you have any makeup questions about any of the makeup used, it's all unique. And I can help you with any color matching, any of that goodness. If I use anything else, it's not unique. But you can ask me questions about it too. And that's my spiel. Oh, and my name is Kim. Or Ken. I look more like a Ken today. I'll be Ken. Ken Burley. Okay. I feel like I need to go darker around the edges. Do you think I need to go darker around the edges? I should have made a beard. Okay. All right. I feel like my nose needs to be a little more brown. I'm just a monkey that doesn't know what the heck I'm doing with my life. It's okay. Hi, Cody. What do you think of my wig? Pretty awesome, huh? All right. I just got bronzer everywhere. I'm gonna add back in my dark monkey circles. Okay. I feel like I keep going from looking like a monkey to looking like the little boy from Jumanji, who turns into a monkey. I need hair, like a beard. Okay. I'm looking tired. Mission almost accomplished. I don't know if monkeys are tired, but I have a feeling that it's got to be exhausting. Jumping from tree to tree, peeling all those bananas. Why is this? There we go. We're gonna be a freckly monkey too. I can't help it. I'm super freckly. So a lot of what we do when we do these costumey makeups is we do one thing and then cover it a little bit and then touch it up again and then just do the same thing over and over again. But it all adds layers, and onions have layers. Ogres have layers. Life lessons from Kimberly. I feel like I need to wear this wig more often. I've got like a whole different personality with it. It's kind of chill. I can't get these wrinkles deep enough. I'm just gonna have to stay in this face the whole video. Oh, I kind of look like a monkey. Cool. Yeah, we're gonna have to go in with some like black face paint or something. Let's get these eyebrows a little. Kind of give myself some hair strokes. And mouth. I gotta do the mouth. I gotta finish my nose too. Maybe I should do some concealer. I'm gonna use some organza concealer on my nose. Nope, not with that brush. With the French toast. I'll do it with this brush. I know what I'm doing, I promise. You look like you've been smoking since birth. Oh, Caroline, I love you. I feel like my face looks like super wrinkly all of the time. But I also probably look in the mirror at it way too closely. That's why it's really hard for me to find a foundation I like, because I sit like right in the mirror and I'm like, yeah, I can see my skin. My skin texture, I don't like it. Am I the only one that does that? Does anybody else do that? I gave myself like a bubble nose. What? Well, even in my monkey life, I can't have a straight nose, guys. It's a talent, I tell you. Wow, that's like really crooked. It's like been in a fight crooked. That's better. It still looks kind of weird. I'm not digging it. I'm not 100% digging it. Yes, I just gave myself a mustache. No, it's not gonna stay. Okay. I just got dog hair all over my blending bed. Awesome. I'm just gonna kind of blend this in to kind of pop that spot out. Now I kind of look like a chipmunk. I'm morphing into all these animals. Okay. I think we can start on the mouth now. I think. Okay, I think that's probably enough time spent on one spot on my face doing absolutely nothing. What do you guys think? Are you enjoying that? I'm gonna make this a little bit lighter. I'm gonna blend it with this brush that doesn't blend. Maybe tap on it a little bit, I don't know. Okay, so that makes that look like that. That's what we were going for. Go us. Okay, let's make our mouth. And what brush do I want to use? I'll use this. We'll just kind of drag it out. Kind of like a Joker mouth, but monkeys have bigger lips. That might be a little too ham on the Joker mouth. We'll go with it. It's fine. That didn't work how I wanted it to. Oh, we can't win them all. It's fine. Totally fine. I don't know if you can hear the TV because they're on super loud because Bo can't hear. But that commercial with Mayhem where the guy's stealing the car and they're like, what? What? I love that commercial. Okay, I'm just giving myself some hair strokes. Making it look a little better. AKA. I look like ridiculous. Still don't look like a monkey though. Don't know when that's gonna happen. I kind of feel like I look like a cat. Maybe I just need to stop trying to make this big and just go a little smaller. We're gonna be a slimmed down monkey. Which is totally fine. New me, new me. Okay. I feel like it's not really showing up. I'm doing a lot of hair strokes. Might just be because I'm also shimmery. Shimmer and shine. Da, da, da. Okay. I feel like I'm not looking as monkey-y as I possibly could. messed up. I messed up somewhere along the line. Still not getting the monkey vibe. Okay. I'm going to tightline my eyes with this black. Thankfully we didn't stuff it in our nose. Okay. And then I'm going to smoke the eye out a little bit. We'll be a glam monkey. I feel like it's coming together a little bit. Okay, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna hope that my neck stops turning red. I don't know why it is, but it's kind of annoying. And then let's bronze. And then we're gonna get some face paint. Do some hair strokes. Sorry, that's probably really loud. I think we can call it after some finishing touches for sure. Okay, we're gonna get our, it's right here, my very clean makeup palette out. I'm gonna go in and do some black, dark brown and black. And those are just gonna make those pop even more. And while it's still kind of wet, I'm just gonna kind of like diffuse it a little bit. I don't know if this is a technique. I just kind of did it because I was a little intimidated. I feel like I got the scowl down now. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Come together. Yes. Are you guys feeling it? I'm feeling it. Yeah, I think the paint was like the best finishing touch. It just really makes that eyeshadow pop. pretty excited. I was a little worried about this, I'm not gonna lie. Pretty stoked, pretty stoked. Okay, now I'm gonna get a just regular old paintbrush. I'm gonna make some darker brown, try to, so whatever black is left. And then we're gonna make some hair strokes. I can buy it. I want to be careful. I don't want to take too much of my hard work away. I think that's probably all right. I think that's all right. All right. Let's see. I think I looked like a monkey before I did all that. I don't know what I did. Maybe I just need to make monkey faces. What the heck do monkeys do? Okay, I think we look like a monkey. Maybe it's just Ken Burley doesn't look so much like a monkey, but I think we could pass. Don't you think? Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about my monkey face. I'm pretty stoked. It's kind of weird. It like doesn't look like a monkey until you just stop talking. And then it's like, you got any bananas? I like bananas. Do you like bananas? This sheet is bananas. All right, you guys. Obviously, my singing is on point tonight. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it. Maybe we should put on some mascara just because we're a monkey. We should have mascara. Let's see if I have one opened. I don't. I just got a new one in the mail. Ouch. Nothing like a new thing of mascara. You think it's awesome, Jen? B.A.N.A.N.A.S. I just got wig in my mascara. Let's see if this makes any difference. Or if it just takes up more of your time. I did this in less than an hour. That's like the goal. And we did it. Now I look like a pretty monkey. I look less like a little boy. More like a monkey girl. Alright, before I let you go, Let's hear one more thing about monkeys from our friend, Alexa. Alexa, tell me something about chimpanzees.
Here's a fact about chimpanzees. Here's what I found on chimpanzees' Wikipedia page. The genus Pan is part of the subfamily Homininae, to which humans also belong. The lineages of chimpanzees and humans separated in a process of speciation between roughly 5 to 12 million years ago, making them humanity's closest living relative. Research by Mary Claire King in 1973 found 99% identical DNA between human beings and chimpanzees.
Well, now you know. The more you know. Dang. All right, you guys. I think I'm going to call it. I think it's good. I need to make my lip a little more lip colored. And then I'm really going, I promise. Okay, that's our monkey. I think we rocked it. Like a banana hurricane. My Ed Sheeran wig probably wasn't the best choice, but we're here. We're rocking it. I'll do a monkey faux hawk. Yeah. Oh my gosh, yes. I'm like the cutest monkey I know. All right, you guys. This is our Wednesday night look. Second look in the animals series. We need to come up with a new name because that's really lame. It's the primate. It's the monkey. It's Kim with a faux hawk. I kind of dig it, actually. I wasn't digging the pixie, but like me with the faux hawk. I could pull it off. All right, you guys, stay tuned. Next week, we're going to be here with another animal. Not a monkey or a shark. So the list is endless. You'll just have to show up. I can't tell you what it is because I didn't even know I was going to be this until like an hour and a half ago. So you guys have an amazing Wednesday night. It's been one hell of a week and it's almost over. And it's almost a long weekend. So make sure you stay dry, stay out of the snow because it is Memorial Day and it's not going to be nice weather because Mother Nature hates us. But yeah, keep it classy. Adios. Bye.